Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's daily newspaper on Saturday, August the 8th, 2020. Six Sudokus in this additional. The second one is a two-star Sudoku. This will be number 1311. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, probably 26, because the previous one has 27. We have here 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 2 is 26, as expected. Alright, so let's get started. I see here the first column. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square. So no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. Look, we have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then we need to well, this one, I'm scanning. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 2. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row, so no 2 and a 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 and a 4 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark this for you. Mark this. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and 3. 6 and 3, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. So in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then we have a 6 in this row, a 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 1. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1, 2, 8, no. 1, 2, 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those numbers are the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, how about this column? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then One, two, three, 4, 7 and 8. Yeah. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Two missing numbers here in this big square. Those numbers are the 2 and the 8, but we have a 2 in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And now 1, 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 1, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here the 1 and the 5, so no 1 and the 5 in these two boxes. 1 digit left should be the 9. The 1 and the 5 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark this for you. How about 7, 8, and 6? Alright. 5. We have a 2 in this column, a 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. One, two, 3, 4 is missing in this big square. 5, 6, the 7 is missing in this big square, and the 9. The 9 we have here. 4, 9, and 7. In this row, the same numbers are missing. 4, 7, and 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 here. So in this box cannot be 4 and 7. The only number left is the number 9. 4 and a 7 goes here, 4 and a 7 goes there. That means in this big square, the 9 cannot be here. We have a 9 here, cannot be there, so the 9 should be here. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. 4, 7, so the 8 should be there, yes. So in this row, column, 3 missing numbers, 4, 7, and the 8. I cannot place the 8 here, we have an 8 here. We have an 8 also over there, so here cannot be an 8. So one spot left for the 8 should be there. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Alright, and now how about the number 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this second row for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Then 7 in this column. Oh, no. We still have a 7 in one of those two boxes. Ay. Let me think. 8. I need a pair. 4, 4. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 here. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle column, we have a 4 over there. So in the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 4 and 7. Here cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here, so there goes the 4. And here goes the 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. I see here a 4, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 2. This should be the 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. Then 2 is missing in this big square. The 8 is missing in this big square. And the 5 is missing in this big square. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 2 and a 5 are left in this big square. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. Then 2 boxes left in the middle column for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now I have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 1. Alright. How about the 9 in this row, 9 in the row below? So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 6 and the 7 are left. I cannot fill this yet. No, 6 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. You need to look twice, otherwise you will make a mistake. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 7 and the 6. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the last row. Those numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 1. We have a 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Oh, apologies. My camera, I bumped my camera. Apologies. Oh. Thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the 3-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.